In this example, I'll show you how to automatically assign a task to a specified user's email, which will automatically appear in Google Sheets through the deployed form. I will use existing form which I have created previously. In the Action Properties, check for Assign Task to User. By clicking it, it will open Action Properties. You need to select Enable and add specified email. Click the Save button and refresh the page. Click Generated Code tab and copy the script. Paste the script in the app's script editor. If you're not sure how to open it, check out the previous videos. Deploy the updated web apps. In Google Sheets, you'll see the email address that I specified earlier in the Action Properties.